Now we have let our turkey sit in the brine. We're gonna go ahead and take it out, rinse it off. We have properly washed our sink. So you make sure you wash your turkey off. Should be really juicy, lots of flavor. Just remember when you brine the turkey, that actually helps it cook faster. 20-30 minutes faster. Okay. Okay, now we have washed our turkey off. We're going to transfer it over to our roaster pan that we're going to be injecting it in. Going to get and season it. We're going to get the missus to come on here and assist us in injecting the turkey. That's her specialty. You know, she know how to go all up under the skin and know all the nice spots it. Yeah. Mrs. Southern Smoke is coming on. Gonna assist me.
How much are you using?
We're gonna inject it with some Creole garlic. Creole garlic, Cajun injection. We got a little olive oil. We're gonna rub it down with. Then my homemade dry rub. You want to make sure you pour your Creole in your injection in a bowl so you're not contaminating. If you plan on using the leftovers for basting. So, honey, how so you see how she goes under the skin and injects it? I would have never knew that. And it helps your juices stay inside, that way it doesn't come out. As you can see, the juice will spread on around as we let it sit overnight. In 8 hours, we'll get up and put it on.
Can you rip that and go up on?
Let it cook on down. And we just gonna let the smoke roll on them. Going to smoke it up with some nice pecan wood. I can already taste it. I can already taste it. Hope we don't have no fights over this turkey tomorrow. This is our first time smoking a turkey. We always cook them. So, being that we wasn't together for Thanksgiving, we decided to do us a turkey. You know, make up for the holiday times that I was gone away.
Why was you gone away?
I was on an overseas tour, unaccommodated. Yeah.
Why was that thought?
Yeah, you gotta get them wings. It's okay if you see a turkey start to swell up. That's just an injection going in there. Done with it. Let's go ahead and put my famous dry rub on. Let me flip it down side first. Go ahead and knock out that side. Cover it up. Don't worry about over seasoning it. Want you very nice and covered, just to give it that color. I got that brown sugar in there. That brown sugar should pop it out with the color. Give it that nice golden color you want. Okay, let me flip over. Okay, final touch.
Yum, yum.
So we have covered the bird up, got it seasoned down. The results after the brim, we're gonna see. Now we're gonna inject it with the Creole garlic injection. What's up? Hey, it's 9 o'clock at night. We're about to throw on the whole turkey. You know, you already know what's about to go down. Hey, get prepared for all night cook. Right now it's 25 degrees outside. So you know I'm gonna let the smoke roll all night, that clear blue smoke. And throw it on the smoker. I'm gonna put in the whole pan. Well, I had some more Cajun. It's just a Creole garlic left. So I'm gonna use this to baste my turkey. You can always just melt some butter and try it out, but since I got this left over, I'm gonna pour it in a separate paper cup so I don't cross-contaminate. Mixing together, mixing raw and undone together. Add a little more wood to my firebox. Coals nice and hot. Let the wood go ahead and catch up. I'm gonna come over here and baste my turkey. As I mentioned with the, I'm not gonna rub it too much because I don't want to knock my seasonings off. Gonna come back and cover up in 2 more hours and let it finish cooking on down.
Hey, I'm gonna stick this in there.
Alright.
Stick it. I don't know what that. Where would be a good spot?
The top right down to that butter. Come off on me. Sound like a man who can carve a turkey. Right, babe?
That's what you're doing, carving. You like need to get some brown meat.
Hey, trying my best.
Dark meat.
You like your dark?
No.
Or you like them light like daddy?
Cut that wing off.
I am, babe. I ain't even gotta cut that.
Alright, you gonna end it?
Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure you come and watch the videos coming soon. Like, comment, subscribe, share with family and friends. Peace out.